Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to equip Flair in Pokémon TCG Pocket. Now here on our Pokémon TCG Pocket app, at the bottom you can see some options. We're going to tap on the second option, which is the card icon. Now after tapping on it, you can see the different cards. Now in order to equip the Flair, you just need to tap on any of these cards. Now depending on the card, you will have some requirements in order to obtain the Flair. This is the Arcanine card, and you can see the option here at the bottom area, obtain Flair. When we tap on it, you can see it says Flair can be obtained by exchanging the following items: duplicate cards or shine dust. You can tap on OK. So right here, you see you need to have 1 card and 720 shine dust. So in another instance, if we select Paris and tap on Obtain Flair, you can see we need 3 cards and 50 shine dust. If you have this shine dust and the number of cards required, you can simply tap on the exchange button right here and you will be able to successfully equip Flair in your Pokémon TCG Pocket. If this was helpful, go ahead and give it a like and click on the subscribe button for more videos, and thanks for watching.